Tuberous sclerosis, a neurocutaneous disorder, phakomatosis with a multiple benign tumor involving the embryonic ectoderm, skin, eyes, and the nervous system. Etiology: autosomal dominant inheritance, mutations in the TSC1 gene, Hamartin protein, chromosome 9, TSC2 gene, tuberine protein, chromosome 16. Clinical features: walk, trait, seizure, mental retardation, adenoma sebaceum, cutaneous lesion, Ashley flatters, hyperpigmented spot, chagrin patches, rough leathery plates in the lumbosacral region, facial angiohyperoma, adenoma sebaceum, lip papules on the nose and the cheeks, periangular fibroma, vein and tumor, around the fingernails and the toenails, cosmetic skin lesion, hyperpigmented spots scattered across the body, neurological, cortical hair, subependymal nodules and the subependymal gain cell astrocytoma, infantile spasm and the epilepsy, visceral lesion, cardiac rhabdomyoma, common in the infancy, renal angiomyolipoma and the system, pulmonary lymphangiomatosis in the females. Diagnosis, clinical criteria, major and the minor features, major, facial angiofibroma, chagrin patches, renal angiomyolipoma, cortical tumor, minor, dental enamel pizza, gingival fibroma, confetti skin lesion. Imaging, CT or the MRI for the cortical and the subependymal lesion. Antic testing for the TSC1, TS2 mutation. Management, neurological, anti-epileptic drugs for the seizure. Surgery for the seizure if symptomatic. Cutaneous laser therapy for the angiofibroma. Renal, monitor angiomyolipoma, MTR inhibitors, everolimus. Genetic counseling for the families. Neurocutaneous disorder with the benign tumors of the skin, CNS and other organs. Inheritance, autosomal dominant mutations in the TSC1 hamartin or the TSC2 tuberine. Key diet, work, the seizures, mental retardation, adenoma sebaceum, major cutaneous feature, ash-shaped macules are hyperpigmented, chagrin patches are lumbosacral, facial angiofibroma, adenoma sebaceum, periangular fibroma, Cohen's tumor, neurological involvement like cortical tumor, subependymal nodules, renal lesions, angiomyolipoma, cyst, MTR inhibitors for the treatment, pulmonary lesion, lymphangiomatosis seen in the females, cardiac lesion, rhabdomyomas common in the infants. Diagnostic criteria, clinical, combination of the major and the minor feature, imaging, MRI for the CNS lesion, genetic testing for the TSC1, TSC2 mutation, treatment highlights, anti-epileptics for the seizure, MTR inhibitors for the tumors, everolimus, surgery for the symptomatic lesion, prognosis, lifelong monitoring required for the complication.